Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. This video we're going to show you how to open IBKR account. And IBKR is a short of Interactive Brokers. It's a very big company for some transactions like securities, stocks, bonds like that. So this is a step-by-step tutorial, and you will operate it very easily. Okay, let's go. Firstly, before we start to do the application, I need to give a very short introduction about the IBKR. IBKR was set up in 1977, so it has a very long history, so you can trust that. And as you see, it operates the largest electronic trading platform in the United States, and you can do transactions about the stocks, options, futures, even the cryptocurrencies. So it helps you to do your investments globally. That's very great, isn't it? Okay, so let's see the page. This is the websites of the Interactive Brokers, and you can see there are many advantages for this company. As you see, the professional pricing, global access, and premier technology and streams or security. Yeah, that's great for our transactions, isn't it? So before we start the application and the operation, we should copy the link to do the registration and the account opening. So you can find the link on this the link of this screen and below this video. Just copy the link to the web browser, and you could open the website of the Interactive Broker. Okay, and since you copy the link into the web browser, you could find this page, and on this page there will be some awards. And if you use the link below this video, that is open account today and start earning up to $1,000 of IBKR stock for free. That means if you use the link below this video to open your account, you can earn up to $1,000 for free of the IBKR stock. So at this page, we just click the blue button, open account, and we will go to come to this page. On this page, for first we need to fill in or type in your email address. And Robert recommend you to use a Gmail address or email address. And the second row is about the username. This username we will use it to log into the IBKR account, so it's very important. So you should remember that clearly. It's better for you to record this username in your computer or just in your mind. And then type in the password or set up it, and then click the create account, and then you will receive an email from the IBKR, and get into your email and find the email the IBKR ever sent you, and click the verify account. Then you would get a page like this. It says that your email is confirmed. And then we will go to this page. On this page, you are going to select an account type. Typically, we will set up an individual account because it will be much more convenient. If you select the joint type or retirement account, it will be much more complicated and for you to operate. So just simply we select the individual type. Click this, and you will see the right page. And here you have to type in some information about your details. That is your personal information, like your first name, your last name. Take me as an example. Not me actually. It's just a virtual person. So his name is James Fisher. So his first name is James and last name is Fisher. And for the next row, you should type in your residence address. It looks like this. So for the first, you need to type in your door number, and then the road, which road, and then the district. After that, you need to choose the city, and take the London as an example. So just type it in. And for the next options, usually you don't need to fill them or select them, because if you select these options or box, the IBKR would ask you to fill some other information, especially the address information. So it will be much more complicated, isn't it? Okay. For this page, you should choose your national identity card and fill in the number. Okay, so this tutorial is normally for the international one, not for the US. For the US, it will be much more simple. And then you need to choose employment. It's better for you to choose the first option, like that is the employed. That means you need to fill in your employment information, like the company or institution or annual salary. Because if you choose the other options like the retired, self-employed, you have to provide more information or documents to prove that how you can get your income. So it's much more complicated. Okay, so typically we just choose the employed, and then you need to fill in choose your source of wealth. And again, you need, it's better for you to choose the third row, that is the income from employment, because this is very simple and this is the common situation. If you choose other options like the allowance or disability or in gifts, something like that, or property, that would be much more complicated, and usually you would have to provide some proofs and documents to support them. So please don't do that. And for this page, you need to choose the base currency. Usually we just choose the US dollar because since we want to open the IBKR, usually we are going to buy the US stocks. So the US dollar or US currency would be much more convenient. And for the securities questions, you should remember this very carefully, because if one day you can't remember your account name and the password, you can use these security questions and answer to get back your account name and password. Okay, or you can reset your password. So this is very important, and you should remember all of them, and both the questions and the answer. Okay, we are going to this page. On this page, you need to fill in your mobile phone number and get a text message, and then you can fill in or type in the security code here, and just and then click the submit. Okay, on this page, you need to configure your trading account, that is market cash and some others, but usually we just use the cash. Well, for Robert, I don't recommend you to do the margin, because margin, if you use the margin, if you in the transaction, there will be much more risk for you, and that means you will do leverage, and the leverage contains much more risk. Okay, so just use the cash. But here you can choose margin, because margin, if you choose margin, you can do more operations in this account. Okay, but when you do the transactions, just don't do it. Don't do the margin or option transaction. Okay, it will be much more risk. Okay, and here you need to choose your annual net income in USD dollars. For this option, it's better for you not to choose too high or too low. If you choose a very low income, like the 0 or 100, 1000, definitely you will be rejected by the IBKR, because that is too low for your investment. All right, and you should not to choose a very high income either, because if you choose a high income, maybe the IBKR will ask you to provide some proofs or documents. That's would be complicated. For the next options, like the net worth in US, just like the same situation. And for the next option, and for the next item, the investment objectives and intended purpose of trading, just choose the first one. The growth, it will be okay. And for the next, it's about the trading experience and permissions. This is a situation just like the income, and don't put it too low. If you set the 0 year or just 1 year, maybe you will be rejected by the IBKR, because you don't have enough experience for the investment. Because if you do investment about the stock, like the stocks or the bonds, there will be some risk there, and you just cannot effort that or stand that. Next 3 years or 4 years or 4 years plus, that would be okay. And for the second option, for the second selection, you need to choose trades per year. Okay, for this one, you can select 100 around, that would be okay. And the knowledge level, the same, don't be too low. If too low, there would be some complicated situation. Okay. Finally, we come to this page. For this page, there is some regulatory information, and it asks you is any account holder or director, otherwise someone blah 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 blah. Just simply choose a no. And for the next one, are you or anyone in your immediate family employed by blah 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 blah? Just simply select no, because if you select yes, there will be some doubt that you and your relatives know some secrets about the market, the stock market, so you will be rejected. Okay. And then there is a choice. There is an option that asks you to review this information. You can ignore this or just simply choose unroll. It's not very important. Okay. And then for this page, there are many options. It's about the terms. Since we come to register and open the IBKR account, definitely we have to agree with this. So just click and select all of them. Then you have to review your personal information and the account opening information. Just check one by one. If there is no errors or mistakes, then you can go to the final step. And the final step, you need to then your name. Take the James Fisher as an example. You need to type your name here, just the same as what you ever type in. Okay. Okay, for the final page, you need to do some upload of the documents. So make sure that all the 4 options become green, like this. Okay, that means you have completed that. So you need to prepare your passport and your photo ID and some documents for your residential address. Since you have uploaded all the documents, they will become green, and that means all the process is done, and you could get a IBKR account. Congratulations! Okay, so that's all for the process of the IBKR account opening, and for the next video, we are going to show you how to send money to the IBKR from the WISE. As everybody knows, WISE is a very important money sending tools so we can use this tool to send money or get money from many institutes or banks. Okay, that's the content for this video, and hope that everybody would love this video. Hope this video would help you, and if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and thumbs up. Okay, see you.